Good evening, everybody. I'm shooting this on Thanksgiving night, so I hope everyone got their fill of turkey, ham, or whatever your family does for the holiday, if anything. Otherwise, I hope you had a good Thursday. I've got another dollar store blind bag toy to check out this evening. As usual, this one's coming from my local Dollar Tree. That's pretty much the only dollar store that we have in the area. It looks like it might be a fun little stocking stuffer type thing as we're coming into the holiday season. If that's your deal, or if you've got little ones that are at that Lego Mega Blocks interlocking plastic block age and are into trucks and construction equipment, they might enjoy this just as a cheap little treat. Like I said, came from Dollar Tree, so it was $1. Looks like it should be a simple little model, so we'll see what we've got in here. And of course I lose a block right off the bat. Oh, looks like I'm trying to throw wheels around. Here's hoping there was only one, because I don't want to look for more than that. Actually, kind of more pieces than I expected for as small a bag as that was you saw me open up. Our instructions are in a rubber banded little bundle. Not quite sure what this is gonna be. Okay, not any kind of a checklist, but it does have a parts list with the instructions. Looks like some kind of a digging machine. It does have a picture of it completed here along with the instructions. It's only 4 steps, so I won't bother shutting down the camera as we do this one. Okay, we have a 4-stud spinner over a 4-stud square. Going into the middle of an 8-stud rectangle onto the 2 axle squares. Try to shift things so that I'm actually building that on the camera. Okay, 6 onto the spinner. Okay. Sometimes I wish there were official names for all these pieces that I knew, so I knew how to call them. I'm sure there are fan pieces, but I don't, or names for them, but I don't do that much Lego building. I still enjoy them, but I've never gotten deep enough into it to learn all the block names. It comes together pretty quickly from some random bits into a usable shape. And it starts getting pretty kind of recognizable pretty quickly. go. Haha. Couldn't hide as well as it thought. Alright, so we've got the chassis now. We've got this arm here. Well, that's nice. The little spiky bit is rubber, so there's no, it's not sharp at all. No worries there if you're concerned about little ones. Looks like kind of a jackhammer truck. And looks like we have a back bumper to put on here. Come on, snap, doggone it. Wasn't quite sure how big to expect these to be. I thought maybe with the wheels and all it was going to be smaller. I do kind of like that the wheels weren't already attached for a build of this size. It's just that little bit extra to put together was kind of satisfying, and to me it kind of added to the fun of putting it together. Oh, there you go. Neat little doodad. Looks like it'd be for breaking up the road bed, or maybe breaking up old pavement before you lay the new stuff down. Don't actually know what that kind of truck is, but pretty cool. I think that was a buck worth of fun to put together. A fun little thing to put on the shelf. Display that with the other rando blind boxes that I've picked up. I think I would actually pick up another one of these. That was a fun little thing. And that's, for me, really what a lot of these little cheap blind boxes and blind packages that I like to open and pick up are about. It's $1's worth of entertainment, because I'm usually picking them up from the dollar store or occasionally from the discount aisle at the Wally World. I do have a couple of videos that'll be coming up featuring some 3D printed items that a friend of mine sent me. I'm looking forward to doing those for y'all, but I'm having a couple of technical issues with some of my son's old toys that I'm stealing. Borrowing, not stealing. He'll be in the video. He's totally kosher with it. I'm not swiping from the kids. But I've got to get the hex bugs running again before I can get that video posted. And if I can't get the contacts cleaned, I may have to pick up 1 or 2 new hex bugs. Which, if the item that he printed for me is as much fun as it looks like it's gonna be, I may end up wanting to pick up more hex bugs anyways. But for now, I'm gonna be having fun playing with my little truck. Hope y'all enjoyed. If that's something you're into, hopefully that gave you an idea, if you've been looking at these little toys, whether or not that's something you'd want to pick up. Y'all have a good night, be good, and we'll see you next time.